Yeah, my car was really in a hit and run. Alright, so when I woke up this morning, I had no idea who hit my car. I had some security footage, so I had like my suspects, but I had no proof of anyone that had actually hit my car. But when I was like going outside to set up my shooting a video for today, one of my neighbor's workers who's remodeling their house or something, he came up to me and he had a picture and he said he saw the car. It was a 2007 Cadillac Escalade. He saw that car hit my car and then leave. So now I have a picture and a plate of the car that did it. So super thankful for him because he really is saving me. But anyways, I'm not gonna deal with the car anymore. I already have arrangements situated for dropping off the car tomorrow at a local body shop. I do know him personally as well. So tomorrow, Johnny and I are gonna be taking the S13, having it towed there to his shop, and then he's gonna be repairing the kit because apparently that fiberglass is repairable. Like he must be some type of god to be able to do that because it's pretty bad. Tomorrow, Johnny and I are gonna be dropping the car off, getting everything taken care of. So in 2 weeks, I should be just getting the car back, done. Just everything dealt with, everything repaired, everything painted. So I don't have to worry about anything anymore. I still am gonna take the credit for installing the kit because it is almost done until this happened, which is really unfortunate. It literally happened yesterday. So at like 12 o'clock, I went outside to take pictures of the interior of the car for the video that you guys saw yesterday about how much I've spent on my 240. And that was at like 12 p.m. And then I went back out at like 4 p.m. and then my car was damaged. Like the front end was crunched in. So it happened sometime between 12 and 4. Anyways, it's not the end of the world. It's all repairable. And now that I actually know who did it, I can potentially go after them. Well, I am going to go after them, either through insurance or not. We don't know yet. We're going to let them decide on that. But yeah, right now my neighbor is asking around his employees to find out who exactly owns that car. If not, we'll be doing it through insurance. And yeah. Alright, so I've literally been on the phone for like the last 3 hours, I'm pretty sure. Talking to insurance. Finally got a hold, kind of the person who hit my car. So it was actually, an electrician at my neighbor's house. His girlfriend was visiting him during lunch, and when she was leaving, she's the one who backed into my car. Didn't leave a note or anything, didn't ring on the doorbell, because the car was, again, right outside of my house. Didn't say a word, didn't even say a word to the boyfriend. So I got a hold of the boyfriend, the electrician. And so yeah, we're trying to get a hold of his girlfriend who is traveling out of state right now. So it is gonna take a couple more days. So originally I was supposed to bring the car to the body shop tomorrow. Now it's most likely not gonna be until the end of this week or maybe the beginning of next week at the latest. But again, it's still gonna be finished professionally and repaired professionally. So yeah, I got the car ready to go to the paint shop. I pretty much emptied it and removed the passenger seat. But yeah, I'm not removing any of the pieces I've done, not touching the car, literally just having it trailered to the paint shop. And then I'll get it back in a few weeks, hopefully sooner than later. And yeah, we'll have a clean 240 SX. Finally, over 2 years in owning the car, that's how long it took to get the car clean. And we were so close, and then someone crashed into it. So it's kind of funny how things work sometimes. And then tomorrow I'll be working probably with Johnny and then another friend, Robert, on his STI. Not exactly sure what we'll be doing yet, but yeah, that should be another video hopefully. Anyways, today has been pretty hectic, dealing with a lot of stuff with the Nissan. Pretty unfortunate stuff though. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and staying with me. I'll get through this 240SX crap. The car will come back clean before my birthday. That'd be really sick. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Yeah, peace out. Have a good day.